Did you know homemade garlic paste can last for weeks in your fridge? Most people store it the wrong way. Homemade garlic paste typically lasts for 2 to 3 weeks in the refrigerator when stored in an airtight container, especially if blended with oil and salt to act as preservatives. For longer storage, it can last for months in the freezer. Here are some key tips for maximum shelf life. Add oil and salt. Blending garlic with oil, like canola or olive oil, and salt extends its life up to a month or more. Top with oil. Adding a thin layer of oil on top of the paste in the jar prevents oxidation. Use clean utensils. Always use a clean spoon to avoid contamination. Signs of spoilage. If the paste turns green or smells off, it has likely spoiled. Freezing. For storage up to 3 to 6 months, freeze the paste in ice cube trays.